Welcome back, Forster Dragons. We're here for our last step of our alien handprints, our printmaking process of making prints, copies of our hand. Okay, so we're going to color everything with crayon, and then you can use markers and water in the background or watercolor paint to create your outer space. I have lots of crayons out here, so I'm just going to start coloring. And remember, when you are coloring, you are pressing hard so that you create that wax resist. If you don't get enough crayon on there, enough wax, then the water will get inside. So be sure you use your muscles and you hold the crayon near the bottom and press hard. And color everything, including your hand aliens. Okay. Remember, pressing hard. Okay, I'm gonna finish coloring and I'm gonna come back and show you in a minute because I need to show you how to do the sky or the galaxy or whatever. And Miss Eskew can use gray, but I can use any color, but most likely I want to use a solid color simply because my picture is so colorful. If I were to color a rainbow galaxy, it would be confusing with all the many colors I already used in my picture. So picking one color and sticking to that would be a greater benefit. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it now, and when I finish using the crayon part, I'll go ahead and put you back on and we'll see the last part. And don't forget to color what they're standing on too. Okay, welcome back, Forster Dragons. You can see how I colored the ground. I colored all the alien heads. Everything has lots of crayon and I pressed hard. So now I'm ready to do the sky, the background. Remember, I said it's going to be best to use one color. So I can use any one color. It does not matter. But just really choose one, maybe two. Two is the most. And fill it in. If you don't have watercolor paint, then you can just use the markers and create lines and then blend it with the water. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and just use my watercolors. Now last time, on my other example, I used lots of water with the black to create gray for my galaxy. But you know what? I think I want a different color this time. And I think a color I haven't used a lot of. Let me see. So I want to pick one that I don't have a bunch of that color already. I don't think I have a bunch of this green. It comes out kind of a weird. I think I like this one better. There we go. So maybe I'm going to have a green galaxy. Now, whenever you're using watercolors, if you're not using the markers, the most important word is water, which means you always dip in your water. You can see my water is pretty dirty. And then you put it on your paper. Now remember, I told you at the most you could use two colors. So this is one shade of green I have. But I also have a deeper color here. So I may mix that in parts and give it kind of a smoky look. But I'm only using those two and then I'm mixing them. So be sure you are filling in any white spaces. Now around your marker, because it might make your marker bleed from your hands, that's okay. Just try to be careful around there. You might not get all your white edges. Okay. And you're going to cover every white space on your paper. So today we have applied all our color in our objects and in our galaxies. I am going to pause it in just a minute so that I can finish applying my color and then I can show you what it looks like all done. Okay, but you don't have to sit and watch me apply all my color unless you want to. It can be relaxing, right? Remember, the most important word in watercolor is water. Always water first, then paint. Okay? Okay, don't forget, this is very important too. Don't forget between the legs. Okay? Okay, I'm going to pause it and finish, and then I'll come back and show you. Welcome back. So I just want to show you the finished product. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. So I finished painting my galaxy and I'm all done. I created balance and filling the space on both sides, giving it equal weight. And I learned about printmaking, making a copy of something. So I printed my hands. I hope you had fun and I'll see you around, Forster Dragons. Bye.